Hi mga kastamay! God is good all the time. I'm back! So first of all mga kastamay, I want to take this opportunity to apologize to you for being missing in action for almost 4 months. Because last December, I had a promotional training for a supervisor position. That's why I really need to focus in my training. And yes, with the grace and help of God, I'm now flying as a supervisor in economy class for almost 3 months. And also, I hope you noticed that I'm now speaking in English for my international subscribers. Yes, because they requested me to speak in English because they cannot understand Tagalog. Yeah. Filipino. So yes, as much as possible, I'll do my best to speak in English to you, mga ka-standby. And I want to thank as well for Caparas family for my wonderful t-shirt. It says here that be extraordinary, go the extra mile, mga ka-standby in all aspects of our lives. So thank you so much for us family, my D group, Angel and Ira. And also I want to thank Miss Isang for my ulam for today. Thank you so much for cooking. I know mga ka-standby, it's very hard to be in a standby mode unexpectedly. That's why I want to suggest to you some ways that we can do while we're now standby in our houses, locked down in our houses. So I want you to remember the word COVID. COVID. Oh, this word is very popular nowadays. So let's start. So for letter C, it's connect with God. Now is the best time for us to connect with God. But how? Through worshiping Him, through praying, and through reading the Bible.
You are my hiding place. You always fills my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you.
Next is overcome fear, mga ka-standby. Always remember, God is with us. He will never leave us nor forsake us. That's why, mga ka-standby, stop doing these things. Is be vigilant on the schemes of the enemy. What are those? Fake news, negative thoughts, negative thinking, worrying, doubt, and all those kind of things. So let's avoid that and let's go back, mga ka-standby, to connect with God. Let's just pray and pray. Because remember, if you have negative thinking, everything will follow, mga ka-standby. So it's better to have positive thinking. So that if you have positive thinking, every single cell in your body will be happy. Next is, let's intercede for the frontliners nowadays. Let's pray for them, for the doctors, for the health workers, for the whole country, for the whole world, and for those people who get affected by the virus. Let's continue to pray for them, mga ka-standby. And next is the throne will and His will be done, mga ka-standby. I know we have a lot of plans in our lives, in our love life, in our career and everything, but surrender it all to God because we need to follow the rules right now, social distancing, we cannot go out, we have some curfew and everything, so just let's obey, mga ka-standby, because there is a blessing in obedience. So that's it, mga ka-standby. Let's be a carrier, not of the virus, instead, carrier of love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, gentleness, and self-control to everyone, mga kasanday. Also, let's be a victor, not a victim of COVID-19. So, continue to stand by with Hannah, but most importantly, stand by with God. See you again soon, mga ka-standby!